I don't know if this is charging or not. Okay. I'm about to go to the gym. Gotta put my socks on. Good morning. I'm about to go to the gym. I know that it's Friday. I usually don't go to the gym on Fridays. But my trainer is doing a class today. So I'm going to go. I need to hurry up and go. I got to just put my socks and my shoes on. And we out. I was so tired this morning. Like, for some reason, yesterday I woke up at 6. And I was up all day. But last night I could not sleep. Like, I got into bed literally by like 10 o'clock. I didn't go to sleep till like 2:30 in the morning. And I was tired. And I don't like to wear this faja. It's on me right now, but oh well. Didn't go to sleep until 2:30 in the morning. Not only that, I couldn't sleep well. I tossed and I turned. And my mind was still awake. It was weird. My body was asleep, but my mind was awake. And so I woke up at 7. Well, technically my alarm went off at 5:45, but I turned it off. And then I went back to sleep. And I woke up at 7. Took my son to school. Came right back home. Went back to sleep. I'm just now getting up and going to the gym. But I'm going to make it to the gym. And hopefully I get the energy that I need today. Which I should. The gym going to make me better. I don't know what's wrong with me. But not in a good mood. But hopefully when I leave the gym, I'll be in a good mood. Because the gym always makes me be in a good mood. I didn't even make my bed this morning. And I don't got to. I literally just got to bed. Literally got out the bed, washed my face, brushed my teeth, put on my workout outfit, and grabbed my purse, put my shoes down, live with your guys. I'm literally leaving out the door because I'm already late. And let me make sure I got my key to get back in my room. Got it. Got my water. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm missing 9. I definitely need to come back in here and get my microphone. I definitely need my microphone. My tripod. Where is it? Okay, there go the tripod. There's this. Y'all should be able to hear me now. Can you hear me now? Heading to the gym. Got my tripod. Got my fire on. Okay. Y'all can hear me now, right? This outfit smells so good. I love the way that tie smells. I'm happy to be able to make it to the gym today. We gotta get this car out the garage. Oh my God. Okay. Y'all can't hear me? I really was over here talking to myself, real for real. I was talking to myself at first. It's hot. I got this damn scratch on my eye right here. I got this damn pimple. It's not even a pimple no more. It's just now it's just getting on my nerves. I'm taking my hair out today. I'm taking my hair out actually when I get home from the gym. It's a fly in here. When I get home from the gym, I'm taking my hair out. I'm getting a new hairstyle tomorrow. So I did just get it done. Not I had it done for like it's 2 weeks today. Well, it'll be 2 weeks tomorrow. Yeah, it's time to come out. I'm going somewhere Saturday and I'm going somewhere tomorrow and I can't have this hairstyle with my outfit. Like it's just not gonna work out. It's just not gonna go. It's not gonna happen. So yeah. Unfortunately, I didn't plan honestly to take it out yet. I was gonna take it out the end of September. I was gonna at least leave it in the whole September, I guess. But I don't know because I get over shit quick, and I'm low key over it. Like I'm gonna get this hairstyle tomorrow and wear that, and then by Labor Day, I'm gonna have something totally different. so I have a whole nother style on Labor Day. I just want to work out. My gym bag is here, thank God. I don't never work out on Fridays. I'm glad he actually had no stuff. Hopefully, it shouldn't take me too long to take out. I'm gonna cut them. I don't know where my real hair stops. So my real hair is actually long, so I'm probably gonna cut them like all this off. Yeah, my hair should be cool. I would never forget this girl. I was in like middle school. I was in middle school, and this girl I used to be friends with, she used to always find a reason to like argue or be mad or about something or just she was low key a hater. And I'm so glad I'm not friends with this girl no more. Cause I'm friends. I have friends and I'm still friends with, and I'm still cool, and I know that I've been friends with since middle school and high school and for 10+ years and all that good stuff. But certain people I had to cut off, right? I had to cut off certain friends that was using that word friend. It was really not a friend. Anywho, but long story short, I'm not gonna get into that all that. But I was helping this girl take out her hair, and I'm not even being funny. This girl even got hair like that. This girl was bald, like not bald, but this girl didn't even have hair like that. Didn't have long hair. Okay, and we all know when you take out your braids, your hair shreds. I know how to take out braids and take out hair. So I was helping this girl take out her hair, and I know I don't even cut. I always cut lower than what we think the hair is. Like I don't know where my hair stop in these braids, but I know I'm gonna cut lower than what the hair is. Why this girl said I cut her hair? Nobody cuts your hair. Somehow it was hair shredding. That is normal for your hair to shred when you take out your braids. Your length is still there. Your length is still there, boo boo. Your hair is shredding because that's what happens when you take out braids. And me as your friend, but I get it because friends do weird ass shit. But I'm not no weird bitch. I'm not gonna fucking cut your hair. But anywho, go off, sis. That's how I was feeling. Like, why you even asking me to help you take out your hair now? Bitch, nobody cut your hair. Your hair was shredding because you had in these motherfucking kinky twists or whatever the fuck they was. These braids, whatever you had in at the time. I don't remember. I was in middle school. You had in the shits for months. And talking about you got the new growth all caked up with gel and spritz and mother freaking oil sheen and shit all in your hair. And that shit was overdue time to come out. And you asked me to help you take out your hair because you didn't want to do it for real. You That's why they were so in for so long in the first place, because you just didn't want to take the shit out being lazy. I know for 100% fact I didn't cut your motherfucking hair, bitch. You still had your little ass mess that you had. Your hair was not uneven, bitch. Your hair was shredded because that's what hair do. And her, of all people, knew that. Knew that shit. That wasn't your first rodeo. But no, you just wanted to start an argument. Lord, give me some strength. My eyes are heavy. Thank you. I'm about to work out on TikTok at 11:15. Mm. I don't take video calls. I don't even have that feature on my phone. It don't alert me or none of that stuff. I don't get alerts for it. It don't ring me. I don't see it. I don't even have the feature. I got it off, so people cannot video chat me at all. Sorry. No video chats. No video chats. No video calls. Mm-mm. I only ate one time yesterday, and I had this chopped salad, and it was so good. It was so good. I don't DMs for what? It's a number to my assistant for inquiries that's in my bio for any booking inquiries, or my assistant has, it's a number in my bio for that. And then depending on the inquiry, my assistant will tell me and we would discuss moving forward about the inquiry. But I don't really check DMs, answer DMs, unless I specifically say, hey, hit my DM, I'm looking for this, looking for that. And then I'm looking out for a DM. But everybody can't DM me anyway. I don't even have that feature. Everybody can't DM me. It's going to go on a request, and I'm going to have to approve the DM. So technically, if I don't follow you, you can't DM me. If I don't follow you, you can't DM me. So that's how that works.